Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, the additional of Tuesday, January the 14th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku number 9903. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has always 24 printed digits. 4-star Sudoku, always 24. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 2 fours. 3 threes. 2 fours. 3 fives. 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 1 8, and 3 9. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Yeah, 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2. Need to wait. 9, 9. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left is 7. Show me there. 7. 7. So we need 7 there. 7. Then need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Come on. Need a 6 there. Let me think. 3, 3. Well. 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 1, 1. In this big square, we need a 1. Well, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in these 2 boxes, so the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left, the 1 should be here or there. Well, we have a 1 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, second row, so no 1 there, only place left for 1 should be there. 2, 5, 7, 1, okay. Think. How about, need a 6 here, 5. These 3 missing numbers in the third column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 3, 4, 8. Okay, the other 3 should be the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2, 6, 7, 8, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. Well, we have a 6 in this one, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 2, 6, 9. So this box should be 2 or a 9. Okay, 6, 6, need a 6 here. Well, need an 8 here. This one is a tough one. 1, 2, 4 numbers. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. So I need a 9 there also. 4, 7, 3, 3. Come on, come on. 2, 9. I need a 7 here. 7. Well, in this column, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7. So the 7 could be one of these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. Last rows on the row between only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there then. Need a 9 there, okay. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between only 2 places left. 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 3, I need a 6, and I need a 4. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. We'll have a 3 and a 6 in this column, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 8. 7, 4. I need a 4 here. And I need, in this column, we need a 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row down, need 2 places left. The 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 here too. Okay, 3, 6, and need a 4. Yeah, in this big square. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so the third row, the only place left 4 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Okay, 4, 3, 6. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Okay. I need a 3 there too. This box is very important. No numbers here. Alright, 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. No, only 3 places left. 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here. Could be there. 4 in the, well, I need a 4 here too. 4, 7, need a 9. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 3, need a 3 here, 3, 3, 7, need a 6 here, need a 5 here, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This one is a tough one. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 this, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Here, in this third row, we need one number, 9, 7, and I need a 6 here. Could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7, 8. Need a 9 here. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. This one is very tough. 6. In this big square, we we need a 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. No 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Okay, 8. Need a 8 here. 2, 2. Do we have all the 2s? 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Ay, 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 ay. 3, 4, 8. Come on, come on. 7, 6, this box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 6, 7. Need a 8. 5 or 8 here. Come on. I need an 8. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need an 8, 9. 5 or 8 here. Okay, we have a pair here. So the other pair in the last row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this last row, 3 in a row above, so that row only 2 places. Level 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, need a 4 here. We have a 4 in this row. Oh, no, we have a 4. 4, need a 5 here. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 6, 7, need an 8 here. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So if eliminate here the 3, so the 3 goes there. If eliminate here the 1, so the 1 goes here. Okay. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row only 2 places. Level 1, could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 3, 9, 9, 9, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have 3 in this middle row, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So if eliminate here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Well, okay, 1, 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 1 should be there then. Okay, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. So the 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, 6, 7. Could be a 9 here. Huh? 3 missing numbers, 9, 7, 6. And look, we have a 9 and 7 in this column. So this box should be a 6 then. So here should be the 9 and a 7. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between only place level 5 should be there. And if eliminate here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 8 over 5, we have a 5 in the last column. So this box should be an 8. 8 over 5, we have 8 there. So this box should be a 5. We have all the 5s, I believe. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. No, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. And these 2 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. And we have a pair. This is also a 7 and a 9. Here also 7 and 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Wow, this one is a tough one here. 1 and 8, 9 and a 7. So this should be also 1 and an 8. Here we have a 2 and a 3. 1 and an 8, we have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 1 8, we have a 1 here. So this box should be an 8. 9 on a 7, okay. 4, 9 and a 7. Well, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1. Okay, here. 5 on an 8. We have a 5 now in this row. So this box should be a 5. This box should be an 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places level 8 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing here. 6. 3 and a 6. We already have a 6 in the middle column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, 9 and a 7. So these two should be 1, 2, should be the 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. So 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left with 4. Could be here, could be there. 3, 4, 8. Yeah. 2 numbers. No. 8 and a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in the second column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 is missing. And eliminated here the 6. So the 6 goes there. Okay, 2 or a 9. We have a 2 here. These 3 should be 3, 4, 8. This box should be 9. Yeah, because we have a 2 already. Yeah. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 7. So the 7 goes there. 8 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3, 4, 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. Number 3. 3 and a 2. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And mark those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 9 and the 7 are left. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 or 7, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 9. 9 or 7, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 7. 9 or 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well, this one is a tough one, but we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.